To today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the plus and minus in the header section on your website. So it looks like when you have this plus sign and minus sign in the header is not quite good, right? So what I'm going to do is first you must go to the appearance and click customize, click the CSS or additional CSS and paste this CSS code. You can copy or get this code in the description below and just publish it. And there you go. I think it's working now. So let's see if it's working. There you go, it's already gone. We have clear header. Thank you for watching, guys.